Today I am reading Medicine Argentinum Nitricum from Soul of the Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. It is a mineral remedy belong to psychotic, tubercular and cancer miasm. It is a compound silver of argentum whose main theme is performance and nitrate whose main theme is feeling of sudden danger. The two comes together in argentum nitricum whose main theme is performance in sudden danger or crisis. There is a feeling as if the person will accept it only if he can perform at the time of crisis. There is a feeling of being neglected and despised if he does not perform at the time of crisis. I call them crisis manager. They are troubleshooter of the highest degree and see their role as that, feeling very much neglected or isolated and feeling failure if they can't perform in a crisis. The situation medica of the Argentum nitricum is a situation in which he himself has to struggle and nobody is going to help him. He is trying but not succeeding. This situation arose from being trapped alone in some circumstances and trying desperately to find out way out. In which case Argentum nitricum would be psoric remedy. But by examining a little deeper, we find the basis of these fears are he has a tremendous sense of fault within, which he has trying to cover up and hence has several psychotic traits such as compulsion about time, about planning things, about doing things in a particular way, and such an obsession with the fixed ideas that he cannot pass a certain from certain places. So we see fixed ideas and fixed action in Argentum nitricum. It is important for him to keep control in critical situations and find his way out of the problem. This is shown in rubric fear of losing self-control, which is considered one of the leading rubric of this remedy. In whichever situation self-control is needed, he is become highly nervous as he lack it, and for example at the time of performance during crisis, as is seen in a rubric like fear of high places, fear of narrow places, fear when anticipating an engagement, hurry time to arrive on appointment, anticipation, fear of failure, diarrhea from the anxiety, fear of falling, etc. Whichever situation in life reminds Argentum nitricum of the trap aggravate Argentum nitricum person, and they can act impulsively to get out of the trap. The expression they like to use often is there is no way out or I don't see the way out. Such situation could be in like crowd places, closed places, bridge, high places, building on the fire, aeroplane, any place where the exit is blocked. Another situation is the stage. The patients are anxious to go onto the stage, but when pursued, they feel isolated and trapped. They feel as if they are alone and the exit is blocked. The compensation is to see that the way out all the time and to never enter the situations where the exit is not seen. For example, going on a journey only after the booking the return ticket, sitting next to the door in the cinema theater. They are especially particular about the planning and confirm their appointment once or more before arriving, and usually arrive much before the time, before the appointment. They when they come in, they sit as if ready to start running. They are quite hurried and impatient. Argentum nitricum has also lot to do with the suspense. They either crave for the suspense or they can't stand suspense, and sometimes both. They like challenges. They like challenging job in order to overcome the fear. When they feel trapped, they almost do suicidal impulsive things. In physical term, it is like throwing yourself out of the window. But in psychological term, it means they will impulsively get out of the situation in which they feel trapped. For example, in their business, if they feel anxious or tense, they can impulsively suddenly drop the whole things and leave even though they may lose a lot. So you have to so you have the rubrics in difference to business affair. They lose their job, they drop out from the job, they easily quit from the job. Argentum nitricum can be compared with the chalcemium. They are complementary remedies. If for the argentum nitricum person the situation reach the level where he can do nothing about it, he goes into chalcemium state. In argentum nitricum, there is a restlessness, activity, hurry, impulsive act. Jalcemium is slow, sluggish, dull, paralytic, and doesn't want to be disturbed. Both argentinum nitricum and aconite have the sudden anxiety attack. The difference is that in argentinum nitricum, they appear in a fixed situation for the instance while passing a certain point in close place, high place, before an engagement or on journey, etc. In short, argentinum nitricum has more of phobic kind of neurosis, where in aconite there is anxiety neurosis with non-specific yet intense anxiety states. Lycopodium is likely to be the soric component counterpart of the arsenum nitricum, being involved in a struggle which is concerned with the self-control, high places and success. This corresponds is seen in the following rubric. In the case of arsenum nitricum, undertakes nothing lest he fail, and his counterpart is in lycopodium is fear of not being able to reach his destination and fear of undertaking anything. In clinical practice, I have seen that argentum nitricum can create at the physical level a feeling of intense oppression and claustrophobic. Rubrics are ailment from anticipation, delusions corners of the house projects so that fears he will run against them while walking in the street, delusion deserted, forsaken, delusion despised he is, delusion place he cannot pass certain, excitement anticipating event when, fear crossing a bridge or place of, anticipation stage fright, fear diarrhea from, fear failure of, fear falling off, fear late of being, fear narrow place in, fear ordeal of, fear self-control of losing, fear undertaking anything, high place aggravate, hurry time, hurry to arrive for appointed, hurry walking while, time passed too slowly, appears longer, undertakes nothing lest he fail, anxiety time is set if and Fatak says suspense aggravate. This is all about argentinum nitricum. Listen and learn. Thank you.